what is the electron configuration for a nitride ion? So I have a nitride ion. So let's look at what a nitride ion first is. What is a nitride ion? So a nitride ion here, it lies on this N here, right? It's nitrogen here, but it's an ion, right? So it's going to be N, and then I will have some type of charge here. In this case, it lies on group 15 here, so I'm going to have a charge of 3 minus, right? So this will be N 3 minus. So in order for me to write the electron configuration here, I would have to look at, again, I go down the periodic table. So I go across and go down, right? So if I go across, again, this first line here would be 1s2. So N3 would be 1s2. And then I have these two guys here. This will make a 2s2. And then finally, nitrogen lies here, right? So this is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So this is 1, 2, and 3. So it'd be 2p3 here, but this one is for this guy here is actually for nitrogen by itself. If I had a nitride ion, I have N3 minus, which means I'll have 3 more electrons in this case, which means in this case here, this p orbital will be filled to 2p6 here. So this is for an N3 minus ion. The nitride ion will have a filled 2p6 shell. If I were to again draw the energy level diagram for this guy here, I have 1s2, which is the lowest guy here. And then finally 2s2 would be here, and then 2p6. All of these guys will be filled with electrons here. So this is my energy level diagram plus my electron configuration for my nitride ion. So again, they talked about Aufbau principle, which is good. And I'm just going to skip down to the answer here. So again, this is good. So nitrogen here, they wrote 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, which is the nitrogen ion. However, nitride ion is N3 minus, right? So therefore, it's 1s2, 2s2, and 2p6, like I wrote here. And then I also went the further step and I drew the electron the energy level diagram for this guy here as well. So this solution here is correct. Again, nitrogen here, again, it used to be 2p3, but I'm adding 3 more electrons to make it the nitride ion. So it's going to be 2p6. So solution here is correct. Good analysis here.